In this video, I will show you how to add Facebook leads to Salesforce CRM automatically and then send the automated follow-up emails to the same leads. So the idea here is I have created this Facebook lead ad form, and whenever someone is going to inquire by filling out this form, I will instantly add those details as contacts into my Salesforce CRM, and further I am also going to send the automatic email to the same lead, something like, "Hello demo user, thank you for inquiring at Ayurvedic Spa Center. We have received your details. Someone from our team will contact you in next 2 hours. Meanwhile, you can check our website." And not just this single email. After 2 or 3 days, I'm also going to send again a follow-up email just to check whether the person has taken my service or not. Okay, so in this way, I'm going to sync the leads with my favorite CRM, Salesforce. Just in case if you want to add your leads into different CRM like ActiveCampaign, HubSpot or Zoho CRM, you can also do the same. Now, if you also want to learn how you can automate this process, come with me and I will show you everything step by step. Now, to automate this whole process, firstly I'm going to build an integration in this Facebook lead ad application, Salesforce application and Gmail application, and I'm going to use Pabbly Connect in order to connect these 3 applications. Well, Pabbly Connect is an amazing integration and automation software, and I'm an existing user, so here you can notice I'm already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free task to test these kinds of amazing automation. Now, once you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, firstly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have provided, basically I have pasted the name as add Facebook leads to CRM and send automated emails. Okay, now simply click on create, and after that you will notice 2 boxes. Okay, so these boxes are called as trigger and action. Okay, here you can notice trigger and action. Okay, so the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Try to understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customers. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, whenever any new lead is arrived via Facebook lead ads application, then automatically add that lead into this Salesforce application. Okay, again I am telling you, in this video I am adding my leads into Salesforce, but in place of Salesforce you can also add the same leads into this ActiveCampaign CRM or into this HubSpot CRM or in any kind of your favorite CRM. Okay, so let me first search for the Salesforce CRM. Where is Salesforce? Alright, I have selected, and further I want to send the automated email, follow-up email via Gmail application, so that is why I will select here Gmail. Okay, so now the idea here is, once I have selected all the application, the idea here is I am going to connect these 3 applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so we will connect these 3 applications with Pabbly Connect. So firstly we will connect this application with Pabbly Connect. So select the trigger event, that is new lead. You can also read the instruction. Triggers when a new lead is submitted in specified lead generation form associated to your Facebook page. Okay, so I have selected the same, and now before I make any connection, firstly I will take you directly to my Facebook account. Alright, so here you can notice I am into this Facebook pages section, and here you can see I have created lot of pages. Okay, so I am going to open which particular page? Basically my Ayurvedic page, in which I have created my Facebook lead ad form. Okay, so let me directly search for the same page. Alright, so this is the page. Firstly I'll click on this more tool section and then click on this Meta Business Suite option. Okay, and after that I will click on all business tools option from the left hand side. Okay, here you can notice all tools. I have selected the same, and finally I am going to click on this instant forms option, and this is how the form option will be open up. Here you can notice the lead ad forms which are actually associated with my spa pages, that is Ayurvedic spa page. Okay, so I have created 2 forms. I'm currently going to capture the lead via this inquire now form. Okay, so let me select the same. You can also preview this form from here. Okay, let me show you the same preview. This is the form. Okay, so I think I have shown you already the Facebook page and the lead ad form. Okay, now come back to Pabbly Connect and simply click on connect, and then you will have to provide the access of your Facebook account in which you have created your page and your advertisement. Okay, so clicking on this button, and because I am already logged in into my Facebook account, so instead of asking me the access, the authorization is successful directly, and this is how my Facebook lead ad application will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. And here you can notice, because we are connected, whatever the pages I have created inside my Facebook account have started visible here. Let me search for the same page, which was Ayurvedic Spa, and as soon as I select the page, you will notice that all the lead generation form which are actually associated with the same page will be visible here. Here you can notice I have created two pages, that is inquire now and sign up. Okay, let me again show you inquire now and sign up form. Okay, but I would like to go with this inquire now form. Okay, and now I'll click on this button save and send test request, and you will notice that it will start waiting for the webhook response. Okay, so you can first read the instructions. Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL, and then do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means creation of a new lead in Facebook lead ad form. Okay, so let me show you. Firstly, you will have to visit this particular documentation, that is learn more. Yes, directly click on this particular hyperlink, and this is how you will be able to visit the documentation for the same. Now here I am going to directly open that Facebook lead ad testing tool. Let me show you. This is the tool. Okay, directly open this tool, and here instead of generating an actual lead, I am going to generate a test lead. Why? Because I am not running any live advertisement. This is just a testing page. This is just a testing lead form. I am actually not running any live advertisement. Okay, so I will show you how, with the help of this lead ad testing tool, how you can generate a dummy lead. Firstly, you will have to select the page which I have created. Remember, the page name was Spa, Ayurvedic Spa. Alright, I have selected. Further, you will have to select your form. Alright, inquire now. The form is already selected. I'll make sure that if any lead is already exist, I'll make sure that the lead should be deleted. Now I am going to preview this form in front of you, and then I'm going to add some dummy details in front of you, and you will see as soon as the form submission is made here, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me provide some details one by one in front of you. Okay, assume that demo user is the name of the person. Okay, and the email ID is demo@pabblytudes.com. Okay, asking for the phone number, so again I will add some dummy phone number only. Alright, so I have added a 10-digit number. Let me even count. I think it is 11 digit, so I'll have to correct it, and now it is a 10-digit number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Alright, it is a 12-digit number. I'll have to delete 2 more digits. Asking for the gender. Okay, so how about I add female? Clicking on next, and then I will submit this form, and as soon as this lead generation form is submitted, you will notice that the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so fingers crossed and waiting for the response to be received, and here you can notice that the response is received. Okay, so let me show you the details one by one. So here we have the same name which we have provided at the time of form submission. Here we have the same email address, the same phone number, the same gender, and we even have the form ID. We have different IDs as well, and we have other details as well. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Pabbly Connect and in between our Facebook lead ad form is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards, what will happen? Every time someone is going to submit your lead generation form, this Facebook lead ad form, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data, and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so the first step of our automation is is done. Now I am going to add this particular data as a contact into my Salesforce CRM. Well, the application is already selected. Let me select the action event, and since I want to create a contact, so I will select the same action event. Clicking on connect, then I'll click on add new connection, clicking on connect with the Salesforce, and then again you will notice that the authorization will be successful immediately because I am already logged in. I have provided the permission by clicking on allow, and here you will see this authorization is successful, and again Salesforce application is also connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, and here you can notice it has shown us lot of blank fields. Okay, so I am going to provide the data only into the required fields which are actually required for creating a contact. For example, the last name, first name, email, or maybe a phone number. Now from where I am going to add these details, remember we have just captured the data into our previous step. Okay, and the interesting thing is I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. Okay, I am going to map this data. Okay, and mapping is very simple. When you will click on this field, you will find the above data here in the drop down asking for the last name. Well, here we have an interesting twist. We have taken the name as the full name, but it is asking the name as individually, basically the first name and last name individually. Okay, so in front of you at the moment I will map the same thing in both the fields. Okay, currently I am going to map the same things in both the fields, but make sure whenever you are creating a new lead ad form, you will have to you should actually keep the first name and last name individually. Okay, or you can do one more thing. Before your Salesforce application step, you can introduce one more action step here as text formatter, and with the help of split text action event, you can actually split these values, split this full name, and then you can map the first name and last name individually. Okay, but this is going to increase our one more step. Okay, so I would like to avoid this particular step for now. Alright, I hope you have understood everything, and when you will create this automation, you can do the things as per your requirement. Okay, so I have deleted this step. Now here you can notice I have provided the last name and first name as demo user and again as demo user, asking for other details also. So I am looking for the mobile phone field. Alright, so here we have the field. Let us search for that dummy phone number, asking for the email. Okay, so here we have the email address also, and again it is a dummy email address. Okay, so I think I have provided all the important data. How about I directly click on this button and you will notice that the same person will be created as a contact. Okay, so fingers crossed and waiting for the response to be received. And here you can notice it is saying success, which means the contact is created. Let me refresh my Salesforce application, and here you can notice that the same person has been created as a contact, and here we have the first name as demo user and the last name also as the demo user. Alright, where is the email address? Alright, so here we have the email address also, here we have the phone number also. So again, the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in Salesforce and Pabbly Connect is also working absolutely fine. Okay, now we are going to add the last step, that is Gmail. Well, the step is already added. We just need to connect this Gmail with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I have selected the action event, simply clicking on connect, clicking on add new connection, and by clicking on this button you can provide the access of your Gmail account and connect a Gmail account with the Pabbly Connect. But I will go with the existing connection because I have provided this connection multiple times, and you can also go with the existing connection if you have already provided the connection in the first time, if you have already provided the access in the first time. Okay, and again you can notice that it is asking for several details, so I will provide the data only into the important fields, like it is asking for the recipient email address. Okay, so we already have the recipient email address, and here we have the recipient email address, that is a Facebook lead which we have have captured. Okay, so I have mapped this detail, and now you must be thinking that what is this mapping which I am repeating again and again? Why I am mapping these values instead of providing these values manually? Okay, so whatever the details I will map here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. Okay, I am repeating this thing once again, that whatever the details I am providing here manually, these details will remain same, but whatever the details I have provided manually, these details will replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time in next time Ayurvedic Spa Center. So what will happen when a new lead is captured, that lead will replace these existing values. Okay, and this is how this automation is going to take place, and that is why the mapping plays a major role inside this automation. Now it is asking for the email subject line, and the content type is going to be plain, of course, and further the email content. Okay, so I have already prepared a small email here. You can notice, firstly I would like to send this kind of email. Okay, and how about I keep the subject line something like this? Alright, so I have copied the same text and pasted here. I can also add the name of the person here. For that I'll have to simply map the name. Okay, so let me map the name of the person. So what will happen? Okay, I should remove this extra step. Okay, demo user, thank you for inquiry at Ayurvedic Spa Center. Further I am going to add the email content. Okay, so let us directly copy this content and paste it here. Alright, and firstly I am going to correct the formatting of this email. Okay, so hello customer name, here the name will appear automatically if I will map the detail. Alright, so I have added it. Let me place this comma at the end of this name. Okay, alright, it is done. So thank you for inquiry at Ayurvedic Spa Center. We have received your details, and here I will also attach the name of the person, the email of the person, and phone number of the person with the help of mapping. Okay, so again click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Alright, so I have mapped the detail, and in this way I am going to map other details also. Okay, last thing is the phone number. Okay, let me search for the same, and here we have the phone number. Okay, so I have again mapped all the details. Someone from our team will contact you in next 2 hours. Okay, and meanwhile you can check our website. Lastly, thanks and Ayurvedic Spa Center. Okay, so this is the first message I am going to send immediately and automatically once the lead ad form is submitted. And how about I directly click on this button, and you will notice that the email will be sent automatically. Okay, waiting for the response. And here you can notice in the response it is saying that the email has been sent. Let me delete this existing email and refresh my Gmail account. Alright, so here you can notice the same email is arrived. This is the same subject line, demo user, thank you for inquiry at Ayurvedic Spa Center. Okay, let me open this email. Okay, so here we have hello demo user, thank you for inquiry at Ayurvedic Spa Center. We have received your details, and here we have all the details of the person. Someone from our team will contact you in next 2 hours. Meanwhile you can check our website. Thanks Ayurvedic Spa Center. Okay, so this is how you can send the automatic email to your new lead. Okay, now I also want to send a follow-up email after 2 or 3 days of sending this email. Okay, so how I can do that? Well, Pabbly Connect offers an amazing feature, that is delay. Yes, with the help of delay, you can delay your automation for a specific interval of time. Here you can notice it is asking that how much delay you want to put in your workflow. So again, you have two choices. Either you can delay your automation until a specific date, or you can delay your automation for a specific interval of time. Okay, in this case, I want to delay my automation for 3 days, let's say, or maybe for 2 days. Okay, so here in this delay unit, firstly I will select delays, and in this delay value I will add 2 as the value. Okay, again I am clicking on this button, and you will notice that my automation will be delayed for next 2 days. Okay, so what should happen after 2 days? So basically it should send an email once again to the same customer, to the same lead automatically. So that is why for sending the email I will again select the Gmail application application and I will again connect the Gmail application with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let me do it quickly. Okay, again I'll go with the existing connection, clicking on save, and this is how it will be connected once again with the Pabbly Connect. So disconnected once again, and you will have to follow the same process. Okay, so give me a few seconds and let me do the whole process once again very quickly. So again I have mapped the email address of the same lead, added the sender name as Ayurvedic Spa Center, and this time the subject line is demo user, hope you have availed our spa service. And in the email content, this time the email is going to be different, that is hello customer name, have you tried our spa service. Okay, so let me copy and paste the same here. Okay, and here again I will map the name of the person, which was demo user. Alright, hope you have tried. Okay, it should be have you tried our spa services. Okay, if yes, we would be really happy. Okay, let me correct the spelling. If yes, we would be really happy if you can share your experience with us, and if not, we would like to tell you that we offer 8% discount to all our new customers. Okay, so you can visit our center and enjoy the services with amazing discount. Let me also correct the spelling of discount, it should be this, and thanks Ayurvedic Spa Center. Okay, so here I have composed one more email, clicking on this button, and you will notice that how once again a new email, a new follow-up will be arrived. Now you must be thinking I have set the delay of 2 days, so it should send the mail after the 2 days. Well, whenever you will create automation, whenever you will set your automation, set your workflow, in the first time your email will surely be sent, but when this automation will work in real time, don't worry about that. What will happen, it is going to send the email after 2 days only, after the specific interval of time only, whatever you have set in your automation. Okay, so let me refresh my Gmail account. Alright, so one more email is arrived, and this time we have the subject line as hope you have availed our spa service, and this is the same email, that is hello demo user, I'm sorry that I have placed this comma here. Okay, have you tried our spa services? If yes, we would be really happy if you can share your experience with us. If not, we would like to tell you that we offer 8% discount to all our new customers. You can visit our center and enjoy the services with amazing discount. Okay, so in this video I have sent only 2 mails, only 2 follow-ups, but let's say you want to send more follow-up emails to your leads, to your customers, to your clients. What you can do is you can simply add a delay function one more time as per your requirement. Let's say you want to send the same follow-up email after 7 days, you can again add the delay function as per your choice, and then again further you can add this Gmail step, and this is how you can send as many as follow-up emails as you want. And not just the emails, if you want to send the SMS, if you want to send the WhatsApp messages, that to the follow-up emails, you can also do the same. You just need to set an automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time a new lead is captured, a contact will be created automatically, an email will be sent automatically to the very same lead, and after 2 days one more follow-up email will be sent. Okay, just in case if you want to access this 5-step, okay, so we have total 5-step automation inside your Pabbly Connect account. I will also attach the link of my automation into the description box. You just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.